To get a real idea of the coronavirus trends in Arizona, you need testing and test results delivered quickly. For weeks, we've reported on test delays from Sonora Quest. In some cases, people waiting for more than 2 weeks. But now the state's largest lab is promising to clear its backlog of COVID-19 tests and drastically expand testing, all by Friday. ABC 15's Claudia Rupsich is in Tempe with more.
That turnaround time starts once the sample is collected. It's got to be properly labeled and then it's taken to the lab to be processed. We're here at one of the testing sites for Emory Women's Health, which recently cut ties with Sonora Quest because results were taking so long. That's a complaint many in the valley have had, and now the question is, will Sonora Quest deliver on its promise?
Vanessa Jimenez and 3 other family members got tested for COVID-19 June 30th after her brother was hospitalized with the virus. Their samples went to Sonora Quest. 2 of them got results back within the week. Her niece got them back 10 days later. Jimenez never got results back.
Yeah, I think I went from sad to angry to anxiety. It was just a roller coaster of emotions.
She was taking care of her son, her brother's kids, and grandmother.
I needed to know because all of these people would be exposed if I wasn't quarantining.
They were able to quarantine, but she's worried about those who won't or can't as they wait for results.
I know some people think, well, I'm only around 4 people, but the time it takes you to test and get those results back, those 4 people could be infected.
Sonora Quest Monday had 42,000 tests backlogged. A spokesperson for the lab said their #1 priority is to get 3 new testing lines up to full capacity by the end of the week. Thursday, Dr. Kara Chris at the State Health Department was working with Sonora Quest.
From a public health standpoint, this is a frustrating point because we have a limited time in which we can react, we can do the case investigation and stop further transmission.
The goal is to provide results in as little as 24 hours. Sonora Quest says they've hired 200 employees to train on the new equipment lines.
Do what you have to do to help people. You're working on it, but you're not serious. And this is what the outcome could be while you're working on it. And that bothers me.
Jimenez told me she was able to get a saliva test through ASU. She got a negative. Her brother was able to recover from COVID. In Tempe, I'm Claudia Rupsich, ABC 15 Arizona.